Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, August the 26th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, 3-star Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 91601. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So let's start ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, between the ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones, between the ones comes an O, then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no, between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no, between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Well. I'm stuck. Nope, not really. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's, and 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3 minutes, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Well, this one could be a hard one because this jigsaw Sudoku has 10 printed digits. Alright, enough. See you later. Bye bye for now.